Suppose A, B, and C are all positive real numbers. We define three expressions. J equals a squared divided by B plus B squared divided by C plus C squared divided by A plus B. K equals B squared divided by B plus C squared divided by C plus A squared divided by A plus B. L equals C squared divided by B plus A squared divided by C plus B squared divided by A plus B. Which of J, K, and L is the largest, and which is the smallest? You might recognize this problem. It was posed as a challenge question at the end of our earlier AMGM practice video. Let's now solve it together step by step. Here's an interesting observation. Each of the three values, J, K, and L, is greater than or equal to the sum of A, B, and C divided by 2. This can be proven using the Cauchy-Schwarz inequality or the AMGM inequality. Let's now compare K and L directly. We compute K minus L. This equals B squared over B plus C squared over C plus A squared over A plus B minus C squared over B plus C minus A squared over C plus A minus B squared over A plus B. Let's group the terms. The difference simplifies to B minus C minus A minus B, and that clearly gives 0. So we conclude K equals L. Next, we compare J and L. Without loss of generality, assume A is greater than or equal to B, and B is greater than or equal to C. We compute J minus L. This equals a squared over B plus B squared over C plus A C squared over a plus B minus C squared over B plus C minus A squared over C plus A minus B squared over a plus B. Carefully comparing these pairs term by term and using the fact that A is greater than or equal to B and C, we can show that each term in J is greater than or equal to the corresponding term in L. Therefore, J is greater than or equal to L. Equality holds only when A equals B equals C. Putting everything together, we now know J is greater than or equal to K, and K equals L. So the final conclusion is J is greater than or equal to K, and K equals L. Hence, J is the largest, and both K and L are equal and smallest. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this problem and the inequalities involved, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more math explorations. See you in the next one.